Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to log out Gmail account from other devices. And guys, trust me, it is very easy to do. So just continue into your Gmail account and now tap on your profile icon and then tap on Google account. And guys, as you can see, there have a option security, so tap on it. Now swipe down. And guys, in your devices option you can see that which device your Gmail is signed up with. So just tap on manage all devices and now tap on the device from which you want to log out to your Gmail account and then just tap on sign out, and then your Gmail account will be logged out from that device, and that's you can log out from all of the devices. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can log out Gmail from other devices very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.